Open the Excel sheet, go to view, turn off the grid, select the area, go to home page, drop down the border, go to more border, select color, select the area wherever you want, all border or inside the border, click OK, select the area, go to border, alignment, select 90°, click OK, type something like English, press enter, see you are getting 90°. Again select the area, go to border, alignment, choose 45°, click OK, type something, I am typing English, press enter, see you are getting 45°. If you want, you can copy and paste the same area, you will get same 45°. If you want, you can paste it above, you will get 90°, below you will get normal. Again go to border, font, if you want, you can change the font from here also. Border we already discussed, go to fill it and you can choose the color, click OK, you will get the color from here also. Again same you can